What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have an infrared thermometer from 1AAuto.com. It's got a nice display on the back. It's got a digital gauge which lights up as well. And you can go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. It also has a laser pointer, which is helpful when you're trying to see what you're trying to scan, which can also be turned off. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.